So my friends from Dubai and Abu Dhabi visited me today. We visited our other friend for a videoke party. We had so much fun that night. After the grill and dinner, we take turns in singing our favorite songs. After the enjoyable night, these two friends of mine from Abu Dhabi and Dubai came to my home for a sleepover. They were so thrilled when they saw that I have massager tools.
Hoy, magkano ang charge? Guys, mahal lang charge ni Ruby ha kasi may machine pa siya.
Para kurugod.
Dito naman natin up and down.
Magkano ang charge mo sa massage si Ruby para ipopost ko to sa my day? Sa mga naghahanap ng part-time. 100 guys with machine.
Up and down, up and down.
May up and down ka. Guys, sinong gusto magpahilot kay Ruby? May machine.
May up and down.
May machine sa mata, may up and down, may posing ka pa. May posing ka pa. Mata.
Tapos,
Ay, si Ruby, si Mary din, ganyan. Masakit din ang paa. Pero hindi ganyan yung Ruby eh. Yung mayroon isang
Yung roller?
hindi.
ito na shoulders daw. I want up and down.
Ano ba to? Ano to ang gilot? Kami dati, Ruby, pag nagpahilot, nakahiga lang kami. Sila na ganyan-ganyan. Ikaw pinapaganyan-ganyan mo. Pinapaganyan-ganyan mo.
Pinapahirapan niya yung hinihilutan.
Hindi,
Paano ka namin hahanapan ng part-time, Ruby?
kasi inaano ko na.
Hindi na uulit yung customer mo.
Alam ko, Ruby, di ba nakahiga lang yan? Tapos ginaganon-ganon lang yan. Ang sa'yo, bakit pinapa-up and down mo?
Iba ang style ng massage ko.
Ay, hindi po ga. Yung wala ka talaga. Ay, pupunta sila sa'yo, pero isang beses lang.
Up and down at yan. Ayun. Tapos up.
Naka-pose pag-hilot. Ang ganito ka pag-hilot,
May
naka-pose.
ano pa sa mata. Tapos atian.
Ang
Sir, shoulder circling.
Ah,
Shoulder circling.
Di ba naman ikaw naghihilot? Ba't ako pa? Ba't ako pang gagawa? Di ba naman ikaw? Power mo naman, ginaganyan mo.
Anong ginaganyan?
Oh, certainly this friend of mine enjoyed it, huh? So in the morning, my friends woke up and we ordered KFC and we had our breakfast. And then I accompanied my friends to say goodbye. And so my story ends.